welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Goa government to plead before the Supreme Court to take up the Goa mining case for early hearing. Mines Department begins work on demarcation of mines in ecologically sensitive zones. Post-mortem report of the student who drowned in Mandavi River from casino confirms drowning as cause of death. CM blames casino authorities for the death. BJP's Ghar Ghar Chalo Abhiyan begins. BJP's Goa desk in charge Smriti Irani criticizes the UPA government, appeals Goans to elect BJP candidate on both Lok Sabha seats. Two staffers of Kamakshi Devi Homeopathic Medical College arrested in Shiroda skeleton case. Police await GMC report on bodies given to the college. And I-League needs revamp, but this is not the way, says Xavier Messias. Steep player registration fees are unfair, claims former GFA secretary. Now news in detail. Goa government will plead before the Supreme Court on Wednesday to take up the Goa mining case for hearing soon. Advocate General left for Delhi on Tuesday. Earlier, Supreme Court had mentioned that Goa mining case would come up for hearing by July 15th. Meanwhile, Mines and Forest Department has begun work on demarcation of ecologically sensitive zones around national parks and wildlife sanctuaries and distance of the periphery from iron ore mines.
An expert appraisal committee set by the Environment Ministry in March 2013 is studying the issues related to Goa mining. The committee had asked for proposal from state notification of ecological sensitive zones around the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries and distance of periphery of iron ore mines. The committee had also asked to provide coordinates for points indicated on the boundary of the proposed ecological zones. The Prime Minister's office had asked government to furnish details as soon as possible. On this backdrop, Mining Department and Forest Departments have started their work. Sources from Mining Department claim that the work would be completed in a week's time. Meanwhile, Goa government filed a fresh affidavit before the National Green Tribunal on Tuesday. Tribunal had ordered arrest of State Mine Secretary for not following orders of the tribunal. Goa government has filed an affidavit mentioning why the order could not be enforced. Goa government will plead before the Supreme Court for early hearing of Goa mining case. Advocate General left for Delhi on Tuesday. The case will be presented before the Supreme Court on Wednesday. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Post-mortem report of Sai Dhanush Reddy, who drowned in Mandavi River after falling off from Casino Carnival deck on Sunday, has confirmed drowning as the cause of death. Panji police is investigating as to why casino authorities failed to rescue the victim. Meanwhile, Home Minister Manohar Parrikar has opined that casino authorities should be held responsible for the death of the victim.
Post-mortem of Sai Dhanush Reddy conducted at Goa Medical College revealed that the victim died due to drowning. Panjim police is investigating the role of the management of Casino Carnival who failed to rescue the drowning victim. Police is still awaiting Viscera report which will infer whether 19-year-old victim was under the influence of alcohol or not.
There is Viscera will be sent for analysis, but cause of death is given as drowning. Complainant says that there was no mechanism on the casino to rescue in such an incident. So we are investigating on those points.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has opined that the casino should not have allowed the student. Casino authorities should be held responsible for the death of student. Government has passed a law and framing of rules is on. Rules are expected to be notified by end of August. Parrikar informed that law which has been passed has a provision for a gambling commissioner. District collector or any other officer will be designated as the authority.
सरकारने कायदा केलेला आहे ते कायद्यान प्रोविजन असा की गेमिंग कमिशनर म्हणून कोणाक तरी अपॉइंट करपाचो. इट कॅन बी कलेक्टर ऑल्सो और इट कॅन बी स्पेशल ऑफिसर हू हॅज अ नॉलेज इन दॅट गेमिंग तो अपॉइंट करपा खातीर आनी ताणें कितें कितें रेगुलेट करूंक जाय हाजे खातीर रुल्स करचे पडटा. एक्शन घेवपाक कांय पावर ना म्हणून ते रुल्स आहा पळय ती फायल म्हजे कडेन आसा पण भितर काही चुकीच्यो म्हणजे पद्धतशीर ना ते मातशें इल्लें बसून सारकें सिस्टमॅटीक ऑगस्ट पर्यंत जातलें. जुने जे कायदे न करता रूल्स न करता हे सगळं चालू होतं. कॅसिनोवाल्यांनी देता कामा नये होतं, त्यामुळे त्याच्यावर कारवाई करायला सांगितलेली आम्ही. ऑब्वियसली डेथ ताका रिस्पॉन्सिबल धर म्हणला. 336 इमिजिएटली लागला, विथिन 1 hour लागला.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट प्रूडेंट.
BJP's Ghar Ghar Chalo Abhiyan kicked off at Payan Kangon on Tuesday. Goa desk in charge of the BJP, Smriti Irani, criticized the UPA government. She appealed the Goans to elect both BJP candidates for Lok Sabha polls.
कांग्रेस 3 साल में हर घर तक खाद्यान्न की सुरक्षा प्रदान करेगी. 9 साल हो गए, अभी तक अनाज का एक दाना गरीब के घर में गया नहीं. फूड सिक्योरिटी का जब ऑर्डिनेंस कांग्रेस पार्टी ने पास किया, तब बढ़ चढ़ कर कहा कि हम ये फूड सिक्योरिटी का ऑर्डिनेंस इसलिए पास कर रहे हैं ताकि गरीब को हम अनाज दे सके. लेकिन बाद में घोषणा की कि गरीब को अनाज 20 अगस्त को मिलेगा, जब राजीव गांधी का जन्मदिन. अजीब सरकार है. आपको तब तक भूखा रखेगी जब तक इनके नेता का जन्मदिन ना आ जाए. ये कैसा न्याय है? हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री ने भारत की संसद में खड़े होकर देश की महिलाओं से कहा, महंगाई रूपी ये दुख मैं समझता हूं, मैं 100 दिन में महंगाई को देश से दूर भगा दूंगा, पहले आश्वस्त रहे. 2009 से 2013 तक आज तक महंगाई ने घटने का नाम नहीं लिया है. आज ये दुर्दशा हो गई है हमारे देश की. अपने कोख से जन्मे बच्चे को माताएं हमारे देश में बेच रही हैं क्योंकि उनकी जेब में बच्चे को एक निवाला खिलाने के लिए पैसा नहीं है. राहुल गांधी के बारे में कितने लोगों ने सुना? पत्रकारों के पूरे टोले को लेकर वो गरीब के घर में जाते हैं, रोटी खाते हैं, फोटो खींचते हैं, हाथ मिलाते हैं और चले जाते हैं. अगर हम गरीब के घर में जाते हैं तो उसे रोटी देकर आते हैं, उसकी रोटी खाकर नहीं आते हैं. लेकिन उन कार्यकर्ताओं से भी आज मैं आह्वान करते हैं, एक युद्ध खत्म हुआ विधानसभा के चुनाव में, लेकिन लोकसभा का चुनाव अब भी बाकी है. गोवा की दोनों सीटें भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीत कर आए, ये संकल्प भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को लेना है.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.